So in question number 8a, we have a function y is equals to x plus 1 by x. We have to find in which domain or for what values of x this y will be increasing or this y will be decreasing, for what value of x. So to get increasing or decreasing, we get first of all its differentiation, that is the dy upon dx. It is 1 minus 1 by x square, right? After this, we have to draw the sign scheme. Basically, we have to draw the sign scheme of this expression. Whatever you are getting in your dy upon dx, you have to get its sign scheme. What is the sign scheme? To get the sign of this expression for all real numbers, you have to get the sign of this expression with the for all real x, right? So what are the steps to do this? The first step is, first simplify this expression, convert this into a rational function, that is the px upon qx, get the roots of numerator as well as denominator, get the roots of denominator as well as numerator. Right now we are getting roots as 0 0 for its denominator part, and numerator plus for numerator it is x is equals to plus minus 1. Is it okay till here?
Okay, yeah, yeah.
Okay, after this we have to make a number line, make a number line which is representing all the real numbers. On the number line you have all real numbers, right? Mark these roots on this number line. What are the roots? You are getting 0, so mark it 0 here. What are the roots? Other plus 1 and minus 1, so plus 1 will be right here, minus 1 can be right here, right? After this, whenever you have marked 3 cuts, you have marked 3 points on this number line, can you tell me in how many parts this number line get divided? Can you tell me in how many parts this number line gets divided?
4.
4. Excellent. Let us suppose this is the first part, this is the second part, this is the third part, and this is the fourth part. So this is one of the, this is almost done. We have almost done the sign scheme of this expression. Our number line get divided into 4 parts. We have to get the sign of all these 4 parts. So this concept is very simple. Just find the sign of any one of the part. Just find the sign of any one of the part, and this is very simple. How to get? Put any value belonging from that part, put any number belonging from that part. Okay, can you tell me which part you want to check first? One of the part you have to select, anyone.
Okay, 3.
3. Okay, see, 3 checking, to check the sign of third segment, it is little bit difficult for you, or it is not a wise selection. Why? To see 0 and 1, to get any number between 0 and 1 you have to go into the fraction. Confirm?
Yeah, yeah.
So this is not a wise selection. You can do 100%, but this will be not a wise selection. Are you getting my point?
Okay, so we can do 4 then.
Yes, you can take either 4 or either 1. This is a wise selection. So now I am taking fourth part, and tell me any value
2.
of x. Okay, so x is equals to 2. Now put the x is equals to 2 in your dy upon dx expression and just check its sign only, not the value exactly. You need to check its sign. As soon as you confirm your sign, you can proceed. Yes, what will be the sign when you put x is equals to 2 in dy upon dx? It will be 1 minus 1 by 4, isn't it?
Yeah.
So what it will be? Positive or negative?
3/4 positive.
Positive. Excellent. So you can write here this is going to be positive. You have checked its sign by putting one of the value, but you may check for any value belonging from this, it will be always true. Okay, the next rule is, see, to get the sign of this third segment, please see this one is a root. Please check how many times this one has come. how many times this root 1 has come. It is coming odd number of times or even number of times. If your root is coming even number of times, I'm not saying even root, even number of times, I am saying even number of times. If the root is coming even number of times, then no change. If the root is coming odd number of times, odd number of times, roots will be, sign will be change, sign change. Let me implement this concept and explain. See, so can you tell me 1 is coming how many times? Odd number of times or even number of times? 1 is coming only one time, so it's odd, right, Rishit? Odd number of times. Yes, please tell me. Is it okay?
Uh, what do you mean by odd number of time?
Repetitions. For example, see here 0 0, it is coming two times, so it's a even number of times repeated root. You have to check repetitions. 1 is coming as a root how many times? See here root was +1 and -1, so both are coming one as a root is coming only one time, and one is the odd. Yes, please tell.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so the concept is it will change the sign. So if right hand side positive, so this side will be negative for sure. I will check also. Okay, please see this 0. Can you tell me 0 is coming how many times? In your roots, 0 is coming how many times? It is coming two times. Please see.
Yeah.
So it's even. Two times means even repetition. Two times means even repetitions, right? So there will be no change. So if one side has negative, this side will be same negative. Is it okay? Now, uh, yes, please
Oh,
tell.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now this -1, can you tell me -1 is repeating how many times? How many times it is coming? Again, one number of
One.
times. It's odd.
Yeah.
So if one side has negative, so other side will have the opposite sign. So now you can see, Rishit, you have the sign scheme of this expression for all values of x. You tell me any value of x, I can tell you the sign just seeing this graph. And let us first verify this. Now, for the sake of verification, you take any value lying between 0 to 1. Can you tell me any value? Let us suppose put x is equals to 1 by 2. Is it okay? And my dy upon dx expression was 1 minus 1 over x square. Just put the value of x and tell me the sign. I am 100% sure this is going to be negative. Please check.
Up. Yeah, yeah.
It is negative. Okay, let's do one
Yeah.
more verification. Now I'm going to take any value from 0 to -1. Now put x is equals to -1 by 2, and please check the sign of dy upon dx once again. I'm 100% sure it is again going to be negative. Please check.
Um, yes, it's negative.
So now I think now you have confidence and you are agree as well, right? The importance of this concept, right? Now you have the sign scheme of your dy upon dx expression. Is it okay?
Okay, yeah.
Now, just seeing this sign scheme, whenever you are ready with this sign scheme, now you can tell me easily your fx, that is the y, when your y is going to be an increasing function. So y will be an increasing function where dy by dt is positive. So it will be, see, from minus infinity to -1, we can write minus infinity to -1, right? I will discuss also when you have to take close or open. Where it is positive? After 1. So union 1 and infinity as well, and this y will be decreasing. It will be a decreasing function where from -1 to from -1 to 1, right? As you can see here directly, it is continuous negative, so you can take direct -1 to 1. No need to write in break mode, that is the -1 to 0 and 0 to 1. It's continuously decreasing, so you can write directly -1 to 1. Is it okay?
Oh, yeah.